In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the text box outline in Adobe Indesign. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're looking to create clean, professional-looking documents without any distracting lines around your text. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Indesign. Once you've got the program up and running, open the file you're working on or the document where you want to make these changes. This is the canvas where we're going to be working today, so make sure it's ready to go. Next, we're going to use the selection tool, which can be found in the toolbar. It looks like a black arrow, so it's easy to spot. This tool will allow us to select and manipulate objects within our document. Make sure you've clicked on this tool because it is essential for selecting the text box whose outline you want to remove. Now, with the selection tool activated, go ahead and click on the text box. This will highlight the box and make it the active object, which is exactly what we want. It's important that the correct text box is selected, as whatever changes we make from this point on will apply to the highlighted box. Double check to ensure you've got the right one, just to be safe. With your text box selected, we'll move on to the next step, which involves utilizing a feature from the menu at the top of your screen. Head over to where it says Window and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and you'll want to look for the option labeled Stroke. Once you've spotted it, click on Stroke, which will open up the stroke panel for us. The stroke panel is pivotal because it controls the outline settings of our text box. In this panel, we'll have various options, but what we're focusing on today is the setting called Weight. You should see a number there indicating the current weight of your text box's outline, probably set to something like 1 pt or more. To get rid of the outline, all you have to do is adjust the weight setting to 0 pt. Simply click on the box, enter 0, and hit enter. Once you do that, the outline around your text box will disappear, leaving your text box crisp and clean. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the outline around your text box in Adobe InDesign. This technique is great for projects that require a minimalist aesthetic or that simply don't need the distraction of a text box border. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more Adobe InDesign tips and tricks.